Alright, welcome back to day 2. Now on day 2 we still have some things that we can do. By day 4 or 5, no idea what's gonna happen. Might get a little weird. Anyway, let's take a look. Update on the grass. I don't think it's gonna change that much from yesterday. Did you? Yeah? Okay. It rained last night. The blades are looking pretty good. Milo, that's in the shot. This is an overall shot of the yard. We're not gonna water today because of that. It looks wet enough. There's this one guy I watch, and he gets really close to the grass. Look at that. But I'm not gonna do that. Milo, give an update for the day. Sniff the air. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Perfect. All right, we need to, come on, let's go. Here we go. Wow, a little blown out. I'm not gonna fix it. Okay, let's read some comments from the last video. Amazing content, don't stop. I really want to be YouTube friends. XO. Zimmer Tracks sub to me. 134,000 subscribers, 87 videos. Let's watch one.
It was sailing, heaven on the ground.
Okay, this guy makes music. We're gonna rip up his music and put it in our videos and see if he actually watches them, and then we'll subscribe if he comments on it. We have 23 views. Excellent. My man Zark commented, been a minute, I thought I accidentally unsubscribed. 624, LOL, someone's spying on you. Alright. Oh, that's my dog. That's funny. Ryan O'Quinn, hey, keep it up, Ryan. Love Ryan. Miss that guy. Love you too and miss you. Comment below and I'll comment on your comments in the next comment video. This just in, Pokey commented, nice vlog, made me happy. Thanks, Pokey. One of my chores that I give myself for today is to pressure wash this, and I feel like it'll be a satisfying time lapse, so let's roll that now. I actually really love pressure washing videos, and I also like grass videos too. So in a way, I'm kind of living out my dream life. Anyway, more to come. And you can't see it, but I cleaned all that up. It looks a lot better than before. But now we have a giant water puddle. That looks great. Yes. Do you want to go for a ride? 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 Sit. He always has to bite his leash when we go for a ride. Milo loves going for rides. Sam is cleaning, and that is the darn update. Look at Milo just sitting there. What a good boy! Good boy, Milo! One of the best parts about BMX, besides like flying around, in my opinion, is doing a hop bar spin. And I haven't done a hop bar spin in about a year, and it's been about 2 months since I've done a regular bar spin. So I'm kind of terrified, to say the least. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm a little bit afraid about hitting my head on the roof. Let's see how it goes. I think I can do it. That is kind of embarrassing, and we might have to say that for day 3 of quarantine. because I'm just not getting over that mental block right now. Milo had his paws up here and the pizza was like right here, and he licked a little bit of this pizza off, and I'm really mad at him right now. So there's that to deal with. All right, and this is gonna be the outro. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment.
Hey guys, also let me know if I should dye my hair blonde.